afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. It is Rob again with Extreme Performance. That's with 3 X's. And today we're about to see what trouble we can get in with the Eclipse. Well, not really. We're about to go and install a wideband finally. Yes. So, sit back, enjoy the ride, and I think it is actually snowing. So, as I said before, we are headed to get a wideband installed on the Eclipse finally. We actually had to Ground Zero Performance, which, if those who don't know, I like to call them the land of the, I guess you call it the land of the forgotten Japanese supercar. Because when you think Japanese supercars, everyone thinks of either the Nissan Skyline, Mazda RX-7, or the Toyota Supra. But there's one in particular that they're forgetting to mention, which I believe should have his due credit. And that is the 3000 GT Mitsubishi VR4. That car was literally made to compete with them. So, sit back, relax, and I'll let y'all know when we get there. So here I am at Ground Zero Performance, where they have a whole bunch of Stealth and 3000 GTs. Let's see what they got going on. So there we have it. Wideband is installed. I'm running a little lean. I'm supposed to be idling anywhere between 14.7 to 15, I believe. But now that the wideband's in, I can actually go and get the car tuned professionally and not by myself. So, looks like I have some tuning to do. Well, looks like I'm going to be going to get some car tunes pretty soon. So, like, comment, subscribe. Share the video if you want. Hope you have a good day. Peace out. And always be victorious.